Chaga mushrooms are unique. They grow on birch trees in cold climates. For centuries, people have used chaga. Traditional medicine recognized its power. Chaga looks different from typical mushrooms. It has a dark charcoal-like exterior. Inside, the color is a rich, rusty orange. Today, people are rediscovering chaga. It's becoming popular for its potential health benefits. Let's explore what makes this mushroom so special. Chaga mushrooms are packed with beneficial compounds. One group is antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage. This damage can come from things like pollution and stress. Chaga is also thought to support the immune system. A strong immune system helps us fight off illness. Some studies suggest chaga may even have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to many health problems. Remember, research on chaga is ongoing. We are still learning about all its potential benefits. Chaga is natural, but that doesn't mean it's risk-free for everyone. Before you start taking chaga, talk to your doctor. This is especially important if you take medication or have existing health conditions. Your doctor can advise you on the right dosage. They can also check for potential interactions with your medication. Your health is important, so prioritize safety. There are easy ways to include chaga in your daily life. One popular method is brewing chaga tea. You can find chaga chunks or powder online or in health food stores. Simply simmer the chaga in hot water for several minutes. Another option is taking chaga supplements. These come in capsule or extract form. Start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed. Always follow the recommended dosage on the product label. Remember, incorporating chaga is a personal choice. Listen to your body and consult your doctor for personalized advice.